Myself, POOJARY SHREYA JANARDHAN, branch first year CSC, startup company Eternal Infinity, product present name dishwasher, product process name Sitsi Savior. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Energy and water efficiency use more sustainable and recyclable materials. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name dishwasher, futuristic product name Satsi Savior. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Wi-Fi connectivity, second one self-cleaning mechanism, third one UV sanitizer. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the method advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.